And then where do you learn the skill? Is there like an innate part of that skill?
So yeah, this is getting
it's a
interesting
tough question,
now.
right?
It is. So where do you learn the skill? Is it innate? I would say no. All right, everybody has the same hands and muscles.
Yeah,
right?
but I'm doing
Some
the
people
stick
have,
man.
Some people have, right, but you're doing it, right? That's the difference. So all you are is you're further down the ladder, but it's the same ladder, right? You keep doing that, stick man is going to turn into a real man someday. Right? Everybody started with a stick man, right? I started with a stick man too. So, yeah, some people's hands are a little more steady than others. Some people are more patient with their art, but that more informs the art style. It doesn't really control the skill cap that people, metaphorically may reach. So yeah, it comes down to practice.
Practice and tons of practice.
Yeah. But like, where do you learn it? The formal skills you'll learn in school. My brother's a trained artist. My father was also a trained artist. Some of my friends in Shenzhen.
And
know how to
critique.
critique.
It has nothing to do with your DNA. The fact that you're an artist. It's inborn, man.
Well, yeah, there's the figure of speech, right? In China, they say, I don't have a single artistic cell in my body. It's like a Chinese expression, right?
So you have artists in the family.
Right. Well, I mean, I'm also very scientific minded. I think everything in the end is kind of in your DNA, but it's not direct, right? It's emergent of a variety of traits from your DNA.